Hello, my name is Ron Nixa. I'm the Technical Service Manager of Key Machines for the Hillman Group. The purpose of these videos are to show you the maintenance on our key machine and our key machine programs and how to operate each one. We are going to show you how to change the jaw unit assembly on the KD50 Key Machine. Now, I want you to notice that the KD50 comes with two jaw units, and you want to remember that they're both the same. There's one on the right-hand side, one on the left. Now, when you're ordering the replacement part, you want to remember something, that it comes assembled in a package. So we're going to teach you how to remove the whole unit and to slip the new unit in. It comes with a clamping handle, the beveled jaw washer, top jaw, two springs, the bottom jaw, and the jaw post that the bottom jaw is assembled on. And it's a very easy, simple installation. But before you start working on your KD50 like any other machines, you always want to remove the plug, the power source out of the electrical outlet. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to use your number 3 metric wrench, and underneath the jaw assembly itself, on the bottom of the jaw post, is an Allen screw with a flat washer. Now, what you want to do is you want to loosen up that screw and remove. You should be able to unscrew it by hand. Now, it's very important that you do not lose this washer, because it will definitely interfere with the operation of the machine at the end. So make sure that that set screw is replaced with that washer. The next procedure to do is you want to remove your clamp screw by loosening up the clamp screw. The clamp screw is designed to hold down your jaw assembly after it's been rotated to a different position, cutting your house and padlock keys to automotive keys. And once it's flipped over, you tighten down your clamp screw. Inside, what I want you to know is a jaw post retaining pin. Now, this is very critical here. Many times when this screw is loosened up, that pin will fall out. So you want to keep your hand underneath, or a nice rag underneath there. And you want to be careful, and what I like to say is a lot of times that pin falls right out, and sometimes it sticks in. If you have a problem with it sticking in, you would spray some WD-40 and make sure it's clean. Sometimes after you remove the set screw on the bottom, the Allen screw, a little bit of a jiggling motion or a vibration motion, or tapping on the side of the carriage a little bit with a plastic mallet will cause that pin to slip out. The next thing to do is completely lift off your old jaw assembly, put aside. The next procedure is always clean anything you take apart with your chip or cleaning brush. KD50 will gather quite a few chips under here, so you want to make sure that this is cleaned completely out. And not only that, but getting a soft rag or a paper towel and sticking it in the jaw post hole to clean it out very good. You don't want any chips or dirt in there. Because of the close tolerance of the hole and the fit of the jaw post, it must be very clean, because it is a very close tolerance, and anything will hang it up. So once you have cleaned that off, you can use some WD-40 or some liquid cleaner. You want to take your new jaw assembly out of the package, and it's ready to go. It's all assembled. You want to make sure if there's anything laying on it that's dirty, you want to clean it off. And what you want to do is you simply take the whole assembled unit and you just slip it back into the jaw post hole in the carriage. You fit it firmly. Take your clamp screw and your pin, your jaw post retaining pin. Take your pin, put it in. Now it's very important that the pin goes in nose first. There's a flat side to that retaining pin and a pointy bullet-shaped. The bullet-shaped pointy end goes in first. That's what makes contact to the jaw post. There's a ring around jaw post, so it makes it secure. Just snug her down. Next, you take your socket cap screw with your washer and place it underneath the jaw post, which is drilled and tapped, and it screws in very easily. And you take your number 3 metric wrench and tighten down securely. Once you have done that and you tighten down the socket cap screw, you have completed installing your jaw unit on a KD50.